pebbles.
You can't perform ninjutsu or genjutsu at all.
Never apologize for trying hard. It's an insult to your determination. I, Madra, declare that you are the strongest of them all!